Want to know how to add a comment or add a predefined comment using the tools of TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy application or other website. So you can just simply open up your YouTube studio and you should be right here after you have launched the extension, and adding your comments is super simple. So you can just simply head towards your TubeBuddy icon or the toolbox. So you can just simply select it. Once you scroll all the way under the tools, here you should be seeing comment moderation, just like that. And now once you have picked that comment moderation, here you can see this small TubeBuddy icon which is grayed up. Now you can just simply see canned responses. So you can just simply select canned responses by selecting it. Now right here, this simply select add canned responses and name of your canned response. Now just simply select save, and now once that is done, your response has been added. Now you can just simply quick add it by just simply selecting it and quick add, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.